How I stay calm when judgment tries to shake me. How are you doing, peaceful heart, from 1 to 10? Share in the comments if you're not too shy. From the sidelines as a lurker, I understand I am too. If you grew up as a parentified child, chances are you became a magnet for people who feed off your peace and your love, but never nourish it. Narcissists are drawn to our joy, our calm, our gratitude, because they live in inner chaos and they need to siphon that glow to feel alive. Narcissists hate. They do not love. They live in hate for themselves and those around us. I know, I've loved many narcissists. I attract them like bees to honey. They always left when someone shinier showed up, and they were always with other people while I was with them. They avoided vulnerability. They criticized everything while living in clutter. And I became the peacekeeper, the stress cleaner, and the emotional sponge. Can you relate? I believed their moods were mine to manage. I thought walking on eggshells was love, but it wasn't. It was survival. So when someone commented recently, "You need help," on a post where I was simply letting go of my wedding dress on Marketplace, I recognized the energy instantly. Projection. Old tone, sharp edge, childhood echo. But this time, I didn't spiral because I've done the work. I've healed my gut, my liver, my nervous system. I've studied with masters and reversed illness rooted in trauma and mold. Here's how I restored that punch in the gut feeling. I paused, I felt, I did not numb. I danced, I dry brushed, I drank grounding tea, I pulled out my grounding mat because it was too humid to take a walk at that time. I tapped my belly, I breathed, and I let sound move through. You go like this. Letting out whatever sound comes out. Because trauma isn't just a memory, it's biology. And love is the medicine. Self-love, that is. Next time someone triggers your old wounds, try this. Move gently, sip something warm, exhale with sound, speak softly to your inner child. Let the pain move through, not settle in. Their words don't belong in your body. Your healing isn't meant for their approval. You're not too sensitive. You're sacred. And yes, even peace has a backbone. You, peaceful heart, are your own medicine. Your own self-love is what's healing you, creating boundaries to protect your PTSD peace.